Alright, so this is 7801 Causeway Boulevard South, and we are through the clean out at the front of the house, roughly 38 feet in at a double Y, where both bathrooms tie in. This is just going to be the after video after sewer jetting. So we just made the drop coming out of the house, and now we're going to be coming up the PVC clean out.
Just judging on how much you pushed, I guessed 80, so that ain't too bad.
Alright, so we went the other way from the clean out to the city tap.
And it looks really good.
So see, now we're back into your line.
Right. And this is still horizontal.
Yep. Alright, so we are back to the clean out again, and I'm going to conclude the video.